Hello, my name is BJ Mayer, and I am currently living in North Liberty, Iowa. I have a elementary education major with a minor in mathematics and coaching from the University of Northern Iowa. I also have a degree in athletic administration and coaching from UC Irvine. That is a master's degree. And I am currently working on my Ed Specialist degree through Northwest Missouri State. I am currently a teacher in Iowa City Community School District. I teach 7th grade math at Northwest Junior High, and I am also the head girls basketball coach at Iowa City West. One interesting fact about me right now is that it is our spring break, and I am currently in Fort Myers, Florida. We came down to hopefully watch a little baseball with the Minnesota Twins, and the Boston Red Sox, but obviously games were postponed. So we did get to see some of the minor league players, and we went to the beach with our kids a lot. It was my parents, my two sisters, my two nephews, my two nieces, and also my two boys and my wife, and my parents, which was a really neat thing. I really enjoy anything sports, but I also love being in the outdoors, and currently, I spend a lot of time watching my two boys, Braden, who is a freshman, and Luke, who is a junior. They are in all kinds of activities, and so we spend a lot of time watching them play baseball, football, basketball, pretty much everything that they are into. My wife is also a longtime teacher and just turned into an assistant principal in our new online program in Iowa City Schools. So she's actually one of the administrators in that program as well. I look forward to working with all of you and looking forward to also learning from you as well. Thanks, and have a great day.